In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add Adblock to Google Chrome. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your browsing experience with Adblock. Your support and feedback in the comments help us create better content for you. Let's get started with adding Adblock to Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Next, open a search engine. You can use Google or your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Chrome Web Store and hit Enter. You can also directly visit the Chrome Web Store by going to chrome.google.com. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, go to the top right corner where you'll find a search bar. In the search bar, type Adblock. Be sure to select the official Adblock extension. Look for the one with high ratings and popularity. Click on Add to Chrome, located at the top right. The browser will begin checking the extension. A dialog box will appear, indicating that the extension can read and change all the data on all websites. Click ADD extension to confirm. The extension will start downloading and installing, and you'll see the progress in the top right corner. Once the installation is complete, the Adblock extension will be added to Chrome, and a page will load saying, Installing Adblock. You may be asked to choose your region for personalized ad blocking settings. You can select your preference or proceed without making changes. With Adblock added to your browser, you can start browsing websites, and you'll notice that ads are being blocked automatically. If you ever want to support a website by viewing its ads or for any other reason, you can easily pause Adblock. To do this, click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner, the Extensions button. You'll see a list of your extensions. Locate and click on Adblock. From the Adblock extension screen, you can choose to pause it temporarily, allowing ads to be displayed. To resume ad blocking, click on Adblock again and select Unpause Adblock. With these simple steps, you can enhance your browsing experience by adding Adblock to Google Chrome, which effectively blocks unwanted ads. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials and resources, visit Media Magnet Guide. Thank you for watching.